Introducing the 2017 Ford F-150. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.